So let's start the chapter number 1. There's an overview, very interactive kind of interface. In lesson 1, you are going to build a zombie factory to build an army of zombies. Our factory will maintain a database of all zombies in our army. Our factory will have a function for creating a new zombies. Each zombie will have a random and unique appearance. In later lessons, we'll add some more functionality like giving zombies the ability to attack humans or other zombies. But before we get there, we have to add the basic functionality of creating a zombie. How zombie DNA works. The zombie's appearance will be based on its zombie DNA. Zombie DNA is simple, it's a 16-digit integer like this one. Just like a real DNA, different parts of this number will map to different traits. The first two digits map the zombie's head type, the second two digits to the zombie's eyes, etc. Note, for this tutorial we kept the thing simple and our zombie can have only 7 different type of heads. Even though two digits allow 100 possible options, later on we could add more head types if we wanted to increase the number of zombie variations. For example, the first two digits of our example DNA above are 83. The map that to the zombie's head type we do 83 divided by 7 plus 1 equal to 7. So this zombie would have the 7th zombie head type. In the panel of the right, go ahead and move the head gen slider to the 7th head, the center head, to see what the trait the 83 would correspond to. Let's okay, so here it is. Put it to the test. Play with the slider on the right of the side page. Experiment to see how different numerical values corresponds to different aspects of zombies appearance. Let's see. These are the different channel. Okay. Okay. Okay, enough playing around. When you are ready to continue, hit next chapter below and let's dive into learning Solidity. So let's get started. This lesson number 1 have 15 chapters. So now we are on the chapter number 2. Start with the absolute basic. Solidity code is encapsulated in contracts. A contract is the fundamental building block of Ethereum application. All variables and functions belong to contract, and this will be the starting point of all your projects. An empty contract named hello world will look like this. Okay. Version pragma. Solidity source code should start with the version pragma. Here it is. A declaration of the version of the Solidity compiler. This code should use. This is to prevent issues with the future compiler version, potentially introducing changes that would break your code. For the scope of this tutorial, we will want to be able to compile our smart contracts with any compiler version in the range of 0.50 inclusive to 0.60 exclusive. It looks like this fraction Solidity is like that. Putting it together here is a bare bones starting contract. The first thing you write every time you start a new project, this one. Pragma Solidity, the version of the compiler that you're going to use, and the contract name. Put it to the test. To start creating a zombie army, let's create a base contract called zombie factory. Okay. In the box to the right, make sure it's our contract uses Solidity version 0.50 to less than 0.60. So let's start it by writing it. That's the first uh, task that we have to start it. So here it is. When you are finished, click check answer below. If you get stuck, you can click hint. Okay, so let's see if we write it correct or not. Okay, great. So here it is. We have completed our chapter 2. You have trimmed you have trimmed Solidity covers in front of your mic. Lesson unlocked. Okay, great. So we have completed the first lesson. Now let's move on to the chapter 3.